So I was just at TJ Maxx and they were having a yellow tag sale, and I'm going to be showing you everything that I bought there. Let's go! Okay, so you might want to go ahead and grab a drink, grab a snack, because I've got a lot of other stuff to go ahead and go through. So the first item, when I walked in there, I wasn't expecting to have the huge sale. I was expecting the regular prices, but I saw that they had these picture frames. So these are Ralph Lauren picture frames. I'm not sure if that's coming out, but they were 12 bucks, and they had these two, and they had this larger one. They're all 4x6s, photo size. They were each $12. So I started researching these while at the store, and I saw that a lot of people are buying these for about 32 bucks. So I've got these listed, and I have a lot of views on them so far. Haven't sold them yet, but I'm sure that's coming. The next item is this Under Armour vest. So I have never seen these vests. I'm not exactly sure when you would wear this, like an athletic vest, but Under Armour vest, a lot of these are selling for 35 to 40 online. I was able to pick this one up for 18. TJ Maxx was originally asking 49. It went to $24 for clearance, and then it went down to 18. So I was able to purchase that. It's also a size large, so the size of it really matters sometimes, because you know there are a lot of people that are wearing larges out there. So I knew I was going to pick that one up, and I also picked up its twin. So there were two of them. And I also picked up their cousin. So there was a gray one as well. So I picked up each one of those for 18 bucks. So I do live in Ohio, and I couldn't pass up on this. So we have a lot of Cleveland Cavaliers stuff there. It usually doesn't go on sale. This would have been worth more last year with LeBron. Thanks, LeBron. Hey, that's another video. So this wasn't on yellow tag. This was just a regular clearance item. But it's a Nike dry fit. It was only 12 bucks, so I had to pick that up. I know that this will easily go for $20. And shipping's just so easy with clothing. I just put it in the poly bag and it's out the door. Next, so they had two of these. So these Under Armour, once again, it's that wicking material, just like the Jordan Spieth shirt. So this is the Flash. So I'm hitting on people that are into athletics, people that are into comics. The back, it says the Crimson Comet, the Flash. It's a great shirt. It was originally $34.99. And this was on yellow tag. Where is the tag? Here's the tag on the yellow one. So it's 10 bucks. So I got each of these for $10, so 20 bucks total. I will sell each of these for 30 a piece. Next, I got this Under Armour shirt. It was a great day for Under Armour. So this is another large. The Flash shirts were also large. So this one, this is Under Armour. The wicking material, it says Freedom on it. The back has a rattlesnake. It says Freedom isn't free. I know people will really like that. This was on yellow tag, and it was 8 bucks. It was originally 20. I'm going to be off. Oh, this one's considered a sample, so I don't think this ever went to retail. So maybe this is not that common, and people won't be interested in this. So stay tuned on that. This one, this is a small. This is an Adidas runner's jacket, and I thought this was just really nice quality. Whenever you're at TJ Maxx, you want to make sure that it's not necessarily a return from the store. So I went through and just made sure that there weren't any like holes in it or anything like that, other than the holes that are supposed to be there. So this one had the MSRP of 65. I was able to buy it for 16. Tried it on a few times. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it or not. Okay. Now, the higher value items. I got this Under Armour jacket. I believe that this is a extra, so this is an extra large. The tag fell off of this, but it was a yellow tag. The MSRP on this one is $150. I was able to pick up this jacket for $25. This one's already listed. I have 3 watchers, so I'm just hoping that they go ahead and purchase it. I've got it listed for $130. So this one should be going anytime. So they also had these really nice Michael Kors scarves. And with how cold it is out there, I'm really going after the winter stuff. I was surprised that they had so much winter stuff on clearance. So I bought 4 of these scarves. I've got 2 of the black ones that have the MK on it. This gray one that has MK on it. And then this one that has a scarlet and gray tone. So these were $12 each. The MSRP on each of these is $55. And I saw that these were selling anywhere from $22 to $28 depending on the style. So I've got these listed. I already have a few offers for $19. I might accept those. I just feel like they might go for a little more. I'm just getting greedy. Alright, the next one is this Adidas jacket. It's Adidas Pure, which I had never heard of that. So I couldn't really find any examples online of these selling. So I don't know. The quality's really nice. It's a quilted material. It's got a nice lining inside. This one is an extra large. So I was hoping that it would be a large, but at $18, I really couldn't pass it up. The quality is just, it's just really, really nice. The next item is this golf sweater. So this one's a Nike. This is for golf. So you're hitting on golf, you're hitting on people that like Nike, or you can just wear this around town. So this one is a large as well, so it has a lot of things going for it. I saw these at TJ Maxx probably 2 months ago, and I passed on it. At the time, they were $35. They originally had these for $40, went down to $35, and then it was at $26, and I was like, I've got to try one of these. So I saw some of these already listed on eBay, and they've had sales on these. So I'm expecting this one to go. It's originally MSRP of $140, so I got it for $26. Can't really lose there. And oh yeah. So again, thank you LeBron. This would have been worth a lot more last year. This is a Jordan brand Cavaliers jersey. This is from the All-Star game last year. This is in perfect condition. I have a lot of offers on this. I've got this guy in France that's really interested in purchasing this, but he keeps lowballing me on the offer. So if he increases, maybe I'll take it. This, the MSRP on this, I believe, was $130. I can't find the tag. The tag is, oh, here we go, here we go. The tag is 120 bucks. And I bought this for 44. This was only on clearance. It was the only one they had. But I wouldn't expect this to go on yellow tag, so I went ahead and purchased it. I know I can easily get 70 bucks for it. And the last item I got is this Under Armour jacket. So I couldn't find any comparables online to this one, but I really like this. Great quality again, Under Armour. This is a size medium, so this is the only medium that I got. So I got this listed for $160, and I have 3 watchers so far. So I really think that this one's going to sell pretty soon. What I had, this one has a MSRP of $349.99, and it was 49 bucks. So I took a few minutes just looking this over, making sure that there weren't any holes anywhere. And I mean, it's just in great condition. So at 49 bucks, I knew that I wasn't going to lose out on this. This will be perfect for anyone that's going to be snowboarding or skiing in the cold weather. So, I got a lot of stuff. I hope that you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, please click subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are on any of these items. I'll let you know if in the comments here if I have any more sales on these and kind of what they went for and what my profits were. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm hoping to get back out there and get some more. I know that there are a lot of there are a lot of TJ Maxx's in my area, as well as Marshalls. So I'm going to try to hit those up. So I really hope that you got some value out of this. So hopefully you got some entertainment. Let me know your thoughts and stay tuned for the next video.